Hey beauty fam! So I just got back from a weekend trip and had to share my latest obsession, the BS Mall Travel Makeup Brush Set. Trust me, this little treasure saved my life. Imagine trying to glam up in a cramped hotel room with zero tools. Nightmare, right? Well, not anymore. These 14 mini brushes, from foundation to powder, are total lifesavers. Picture me, effortlessly blending foundation in Boston or contouring in LA. Flawlessness achieved wherever I am. What really blew me away? The eco-friendly vibes, high-quality synthetic bristles and wooden handles. It's like having a spa in my bag. No more cheap plastic feel, just pure, sustainable luxury. And let's talk about the LED travel case. On-the-go touch-ups with adjustable lighting. Game changer. Whether I'm at the airport or a friend's wedding, this baby ensures I look on point always. Honestly, don't leave home without it. It's like your secret weapon for looking fabulous 24/7. Ready to upgrade your travel game?
Hey besties! Ever been stuck trying to blend your foundation on a bumpy bus ride? Or maybe juggling multiple brushes when you just want a quick touch-up during a lunch break? I feel ya? That's until I discovered the game changer, BS Mall Travel Makeup Brush Set. Seriously, it's my holy grail now. So here's the tea. This set has 14 mini brushes, including a flat foundation brush and a big powder brush. Imagine having one kit that does it all, whether you're glamming up backstage or touching things up in the car. Total lifesaver, right? And get this, it's eco-friendly. The bristles are super soft and give an airbrushed finish, plus the wooden handles feel so good in your hands. It's like treating yourself to a luxury experience, even when you're on the go. But wait, there's more. The LED mirror travel case is legit magic. It's compact enough to throw in any bag, and the mirror has a protective film, so no more annoying scratches. Perfect for those quick fixes anytime, anywhere.